In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a long shadow text effect in Canva. This stylish text effect can add an eye-catching, dynamic touch to your designs on Canva, and it's relatively simple to do once you know the steps. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to continue using the platform. Click on Continue. If you have multiple Canvas accounts or options to log in, make sure to select the appropriate account or create one as needed. Once you've logged in, you can proceed by clicking the Continue button once again to finalize the login process. Now let's get into designing by opening your desired project. If you don't already have a project, you can easily create a new one. You'll find various tools on the left side panel. Here, find the Apps section, which will open up more options for you to enhance your design. In the search bar, type Text Warp and then click on the Text Warp app to explore the text effects available in Canva. Here's where the creative process begins. You will now type in the text you wish to use for your long shadow effect. Once your text is in place on the canvas, you'll have the option to adjust the angle of the shadow. This feature is key in ensuring that your shadow looks natural and consistent with the lighting effects you desire. When you're adjusting, you'll notice a slider that allows for precise control over the shadow's angle. Depth is another critical feature you can manipulate to your liking. Just below the angle setting, you'll find options to alter the shadow depth, providing a more pronounced or subtle effect. Feel free to play around with this until it fits your vision perfectly. Additionally, Canva offers the flexibility to change the colors of both the text and its shadow. By clicking on the two circles that represent colors, just select the shades that best match your creative concept. Once you're satisfied with your text and shadow configuration, click Add to Design to incorporate this text into your project. Remember, you can always go back and adjust your settings if something doesn't look quite right. With everything set, you've completed your long shadow text effect. You're done and you can now admire your work or continue designing. This effect can be a powerful asset in making your text stand out on presentations, social media posts, and various design projects. I hope this guide helps you unlock more creativity with Canva. Feel free to explore more design options and have fun creating.